Parents from 10 primary schools in Mwea West Sub-County have been left in a state of worry, looking for alternative schools for their children to join junior secondary schools after the schools failed to meet the Ministry of Education's requirements. Mwea West Sub-County Director of Education Paul Kigaya has said that the parents have been advised on the schools surrounding, those that have not met the requirements so as to avoid inconveniencing the pupils. Speaking during an inspection tour at Kutu's Municipality Primary School, the education officer noted that some of the requirements is having a big size of land, a modern laboratory, amongst others. Kigaya, however, noted that the schools could be approved to host junior secondary school in the future if they meet the requirements.
Tulikuwa na primary schools 61 na 50 have already been approved kwa sababu wamefanya ile kazi yote. Our private schools came up so well. Wakatengeneza, wakajitayarisha vizuri. Our public schools, there is the sharing of resources. Kwa hivyo hata hao benye wamekuja, it is so well such that we are making sure that wale wanafunzi wote tulikuwa nao 2,300 kwa grade 6 wote watapata nafasi kwa grade 7.
Concerning that misconception about the school fees, I can start with that one. We have not increased any coin. We are just going per the coin, per the amount of money that we used to pay to the usual class 7. So we are not increasing anything as far as MBC and Glen 7 is concerned.
I'm also happy to say that this facility has already been approved to offer junior secondary. This week we hosted the inspectors who are going around, led by Sub-County Director of Education, together with the Sub-County Quality and Standard Officer.